We're going to deal with getting this silencer ripped apart so we can change the packing. Work our way out. That's just a matter of trying to get the old packing out. It's all like stuck in there. I don't know if somebody's ever redone it. I don't know. But she definitely needs to be. Look at this. I just buy these FMF 2-stroke packing kits. You just wrap it up really tight. Use the painter's tape. We're not trying to stick it to the fiberglass. We're just trying to stick it to itself. Now, end of our pipe is right there. So we'll go ahead and take a Sharpie. I like to leave a little extra. Some of this right stuff, 1 minute, super fast gasket, black high heat stuff. We're going to put a little bit on the very inside edge. So our pipe's sort of centered. And what we want to do is slide the end cap over the center pipe. I think you guys can tell the difference.